Let me try explain again. Apache create this separate flows for each user, for each user request, which at the end can be accepted for the long time. Apache works with different flow for each user. That means it's kind of mess up each other. And then we had Nginx. Nginx it's work asynchronically on the one flow, and the node is also asynchronous, and because it's based on Nginx. Nginx creates only one flow that comes user's request. It's work, and if work is done, it goes exactly with same way that comes. That's all. And we can slowly pass to npm. What's it mean npm? It's not package manager. It's kind of cloud browser where is all packages is saved. No, npm it's like an app store or play market for programs that written in JS. Suppose you have created a library that works more effectively with arrays, and you think that you can share it with others, and all things you need to do is just upload it to npm. Npm and that's all, and everyone can use your library, can just import and use. Then we also have CLI. It's another word is just a special terminal. CLI is command line tool that helps to interact with online platforms such as browser and servers. It can download and install programs to our projects with one line of command. Then how, why, when, it's questions. Is online platform for repository for publishing open source projects. By it was created, npm was created, was Randolph, creator of Node in 2009. Let's say you need to load a jQuery. Let's try first option. You need to go Chrome in internet and download the version that you need. I already do this. Then you need to how to say, you need to configure the way to the path there where you do your project, for example for video. And then you come to your idea, write your HTML code, then in source then in script sorry for that, Bandicam doesn't work correctly, so that you need to write script and then shows the direction where is your JavaScript jQuery code. But it's so long, you can miss the versions if it's not uploaded every time. Instead of that, you can just use this npm. What does problem it solve? For example, you developer, you need to install jQuery. You just write npm install jQuery. It goes to cloud server npm, download, and then you can use it. Let's try and delete this one. But first, you should download it npm itself. You need to write npm version. You can just skip it, but same time you can fulfill it, but I will just skip it. Yes, I did a JSON package. Where is our initial points? Then we can just npdal, we can just write I install jQuery. Then it's it. You just downloaded the jQuery file. It's in packages because npm it's mean like packaging something. So in package logs it's like all dependents. For example, it's clear version 3.6, it's then address https. That's all. Just use one line of code and then that's all. Let me introduce node modules. It's all dependencies that need to run compilation. All node files need this one, but you can easily delete them and then easily load them again. What is dependency? Dependency, it's all another libraries that you will use, that you downloaded. It will be collected here. For example, jQuery is here. Then if you need another library, for example, install Lodash, it's kind of JavaScript libraries. You see here all package in npm we use package system where you can upload or delete or reunion them. For example, in this we have jQueries, then externals, dist, also in source we have a lot of JavaScript files that we use. That's all. You can just kind of install all project from GitHub. and just write npm install and npm start. That will just start your project. Let me show you, just 1 second. Let's continue. For example, you find some nice repository in GitHub exactly for React. You want to know what is it and how it works. You want to cheat on the exam and copy someone's project. Then you need just copy their repository, go to path where you want and create new file. Example, yeah, yes. Then git bash here, just sorry for that. Bandicam against work not correctly, so that when you clone it in folder React, you have your project simple to-do list. It's then let's go in Visual Studio. It automatically opens your cheated project and then go to terminal and exactly go to your it will not work. Should copy, paste. Let me check, does it work? Yes. When you go to your folder, just npm. Let's continue. Finally, it's downloaded all needed libraries. Before it was just source, public, and then JSON files. After it downloaded node modules files, its package system, it's very comfortable to work. You will just where you want, you can just delete them, install them. Not modules, it's just you need to run the code. So once you downloaded all needed packages, you just need to end start. Yoo-hoo! React script started to work. You can just go to the and then it's gonna work, but it's some errors. He did some errors, that's why it's not showing us. Let me just show you another example. But that's all. React, it's working, npm I show it. So thank you. If you do like this, it will be work. Thank you. Goodbye.